Hey guys, so I'm going to be reviewing this Japanese sticker book, and it does look like a book from the outside. You can see it has a hard cover and pages in there like that, and the spine even. So the interior though definitely looks like a sticker book. Many of the pages have a glittery look to them, and then about halfway through you find that it switches to just kind of a glossy look, and then towards the back it's more of a matte look. Each of these pages does come out if you're careful. You can kind of just carefully rip out that page, and it looks as if that page didn't even exist in their book like that. I'm gonna use this page here and show you what some of these stickers look like on paper. So the stickers do come off very, very easily, easy enough to use. And here's kind of the quality of each sticker. Really nice glittery effect to them on the glittery ones, and on the page sticks to the paper just fine. They can peel off, although that is quite sticky. I wouldn't recommend trying to peel them off. You might damage the paper and or the sticker. So it looks good there. We're going to try another one. They peel off easy enough. Once again, the quality, they look nice. They're colorful, nice glossy effect, nice glittery stars there as well, and it sticks to the paper just fine. Now I can't read Japanese at all, but I'm assuming these have nice fun sayings on them. But yeah, seem like good stickers, nice glossy effect. The stickers themselves are smooth and look good. So if you like Japanese culture, or just need some stickers for various things and want some Japanese stickers, you might want to check these out. They're fun. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.